All right, all right, all right. Okay, let's get into this. Your current earnings. Okay, here's what's doing. In this video, I want to show you guys how I made about, well, almost 50 grand selling one product on this platform. And I want to try and give you as many tools as I can so that you can duplicate what I've done here. So watch this entire video because I'm going to get into pay-per-click ads, that kind of thing. I'm going to cover a lot of stuff. I'm going to try to, but if I did everything, this video would take like 2 hours. So anyway, let me just touch on what's going on here. First of all, what is this? This is a Builderall platform. If you don't know what that is, it's kind of like an all-in-one website maker and funnel maker, sales funnel maker. It's got a bunch of pre-made funnels. It comes with its own autoresponder. Anyway, it's a very viable tool that people are buying and using in their business. So it's really, it's really something that is in demand, and it'll be evergreen. So here's what's doing. Kinghuman, how did you make this money? What's going on? Quit blabbering. Okay, this, first of all, before I even get into this, this is how much I've made to date. This is not me guaranteeing that you're going to make this kind of money. I want you to realize this. I don't know you from a can of paint. I want to be totally transparent. I can't tell you you're going to make this kind of money. What I can do is I can show you what to do, and maybe you'll make more than me. Maybe you'll make less than me. Maybe you'll make nothing at all. I don't freaking know. What I can do is give you the tools and give you a way to go. So anyway, here's what's doing. If you're already tired of me, I wouldn't blame you. Below this video, I'll put a link to this platform, and you can join and be an affiliate like I am. You can see this. Now, in all fairness, I haven't even promoted this platform in a long, long time. Frankly, I totally forgot about it until somebody asked me about it just yesterday. So here's what's doing. There's a couple of ways you can make money with this platform. First of all, you can sell the Builderall business platform. Let me show you what that is. I'll click on this. Once you become an affiliate, you get this in your back office, right? Whatever they call it. So if I want to make money promoting this, which is how I made my 50 grand on this platform, I promoted this as a business. So all I did was I come in here and I grabbed my affiliate link. That's it. And then I shared it on social media, and I ran a couple of pay-per-click ads. And to be totally transparent, how much did I spend on my pay-per-click ads? Probably $200. I'd be surprised if I spent more than that, because I'm very tight with my pay-per-click budget. So anyway, let me show you what this is, because this is just one funnel done for you income robot that you will own if you become a member. So let me click on preview in a new window, and you'll see what it is. Okay, so here is the gateway, the tripwire, the landing page that you will own. And I want you to think of this as your product. This is your underlying product. This is your business. But you didn't have to do any of the work. You didn't have to make the product. You didn't have to make the sales pages. You didn't have to make the videos. You didn't have to make the platform that it stands on. This is cool. And it's recurring income. I make money from this. Like I say, I have not used this platform in forever, and I still get daily, weekly, monthly income from it, from promoting it back when it first launched. So yeah, I'm going to jump back on this, and I'm going to promote it again. So what does it pay? It pays 100% commissions on the front end for the first payment. And then you get 30% as an affiliate on recurring commissions. And if this person refers people as an affiliate, you will get 30% of that as well. So it's kind of in your interest to not just promote this, but when people join, Show them how to be an affiliate and teach them how they can make money. That's why I kind of like promoting this, because a rising tide raises all boats, right? So I can show you guys how to join. I can show you guys how to promote this and make money. And then I can give you tools and show you how to make money yourself, because not only do you make money, but it makes me money. Does that make sense? And before you even go nuts, because I know there's always a bunch of trolls in here that go ape shit. Oh, that's bullshit. This is not MLM. It only goes one level deep above your level. So it's not like a pyramid scheme before you idiots. I always get a bunch of idiots that just attack without knowing anything. But, you know, that's anytime you come on to YouTube or anything like that, that's going to happen. So anyway, here's some of the other sales pages that you will own as an affiliate for this. So let's go back here to funnels, because this is how easy it can be. So this is what I'm going to do. Oh, before I get into that, let me show you the other funnel that you can, the other way you can make money, because this is a different product that you can promote. This is top 10 home business ideas, top 10 home businesses. And did I show you this? So this is another funnel that you will own. This is a cool little simple lander, squeeze page, whatever you want to call it. But you own this. This is already coded with your autoresponder. Everything is done for you. Let me show you. Whoops, wrong one. Wait, where am I? Funnels. There we go. So you get like 5 of these different funnels you can promote for this different product. How to make money online in 2019. There's one funnel. Here's another one with a different lander. Here's another one with a different lander. Another one. And this is a VSL, a video sales page. So let me give you a little quiz, right? So since you own these, you can just click on that. You got your link, and you can run traffic, either paid traffic or free social media traffic. So when you come in here, which one of these funnels should you send traffic to? Test. What's your answer? Any one of you should have said all of them. That's called split testing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a pay-per-click campaign on a search engine like Bing or Google, and I'm going to set up an ad for each one of these pages. Let me show you how easy that is to do. So this is an ad that I set up. It took me about 5 minutes, really. It's not hard to do. And this is just going to be a little test. Now, I'm running this ad on Bing, and that is the Microsoft advertising platform, Bing being the search engine, right? And let me just show you how easy this can be. First of all, you go to, well, just do a Google search for Bing ads, and you'll find how to sign up for this platform. So I've set this up for a really small budget. Let me get into this. Let's go into ad settings just so I can show you. So I'm going to invest or risk $20 a day to test out my ad. And then I manually set my bids. I always do this. Manually set my bid strategy for whatever I want to pay per click. If you just let them set your bids for you, they're going to set it high. They're going to set it at like $1.50, $2, $3, because they're in business. They're in business to make money. Then the other thing I did was I targeted my area. So US and Canada. And I targeted my demographics as well. So if you come in here, I set my ages. Oh, good thing. I forgot to set my gender. Decrease female by 59%. I just kind of know the demographics that I'm going to test here, right? And the other thing was I lowered my view rate on my elderlies, right? So, because they're not as into online computer stuff. I mean, I'm in this bracket right here and I am, so maybe I shouldn't decrease it all that much. But yeah, definitely decreased the 65 and olders by 90% because it's not, why bother? So anyway, not rocket surgery, guys, really. And then keywords, that's important when you do your keywords. I'm going to have to make a whole video series on this, how to set this up, but it's really easy. So I think I set my bid at, well, it looks like 29 cents here, but I can go in and set my click. In other words, how much it costs me, how much do I want to pay to get somebody that clicks on my landing page. I can lower that down to as much as I want. If I only want to pay 5 cents, I can only pay 5 cents, but I'm not going to get as much traffic. Now, this is a test, so if this performs well, I can raise my bid and raise my daily budget, and I'll get a lot more traffic. Since this is just now something that I just made, this isn't even active yet. It has to be approved. And so anyway, I'm jumping on a plane. I got to go to Vegas. We'll see what happens when I come back, whether I up my bids or whether I redo my ads. But this is what you do. You come in here, you set up an ad. Let's click on it again so you can see top 10 home businesses to make money online in 2020. Get insider information on each of these new online businesses and see exactly how regular people are using the internet to make automated income robots. So that's it. That's the way it's going to look in Bing when people search on certain keywords. This ad is going to pop up, and if they're intrigued and they click on it, then it's going to cost me 26 cents or whatever I bid. And if they actually buy in, I'm going to make such and such money recurring every month. So you get the idea here, right? Not rocket surgery. Anyway, this video has gotten too long. I know I need to cover so much more and show you guys exactly what's doing so that you can follow in my footsteps. I am going to make a really detailed course on this and put it in the Kinghuman Elite Money pages for December. So I suggest, to pitch again my website, thekinghumanelite.com, I suggest you become a member because this is what it's about. This is what makes me a ton of money. Being an affiliate for products like this and making money. This makes money. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you that I forgot. The other cool thing is Builderall, this platform, actually does follow-up emails for me. Talk about lazy. I don't have to do... I love this lazy stuff. I mean, the funnel's built for me. The email follow-ups are done for me. The pay integration is all done for me. This is a fat, old, bald, lazy, punk-ass guy's dream. And I was describing myself there. Fat, bald, old, lazy punk. And I can make, well... I hate to keep showing this because again, my income is not your income. So I want to be transparent, but this is what's possible from an idiot truck driver. So, the ball's in your court. By the way, they have, look at this, they have weekly webinars and they have a training in here. They have all kinds of training in here. I'm sure all that stuff is still in. Oh, here, courses. Masterclass boot camp. See, they move shit around and I don't know anymore. All right, I gotta go. Time to go to Vegas, play some baccarat, make some money at the baccarat table, play some poker, get some massages, and do me a solid and donate a couple of bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. Okay, this video wasn't great, but gives you a starting point. And when I get back from Vegas, remind me, and I'll get more into the whole pay-per-click ads thing. I got a place where I'm advertising right now. I'm only paying 4 cents a click, and it's performing amazing stuff. Cool. All right. Bayonara.